Hi, hope everybody is enjoying their Friday. I got some salsa. It's warm out there. I picked up some French fries. And today is, I never had one of these. I don't know if you're gonna believe me, but I picked up a Philly cheese sandwich. Oh, it looks like onions. So here goes nothing. I don't know why I never think of this sandwich. You know what? I'm not a big beef person. I think. I don't know. I'm just making that up. Got something good to eat. Stay hydrated. I went up to the avenue and I saw my mom. She was very good today. I love days like this. Today is also National, thank you for whoever told me, I can't remember right now, somebody's mentioned that today is also National Chocolate Covered Raisin Day. So I looked for Raisinets at the deli. I didn't see them. I saw M&M's, Hershey, but I didn't see the Raisinets, so. It's up to you. This is so good. It looks just like beef and onion. And I think cheese whiz. And maybe a pepper. I did taste the pepper. I got mail. To Liz, to more peace-loving coffee. Your videos are the best. Thanks for sharing your light with us every day. Nove Blue 06 from Lindsay. Thank you, Lindsay. Thank you, Nove Blue 06. Okay. Oh, thank you. Oh my goodness. It's a mug. High times and groovy vibes. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lindsay. And I got one more. Oh my God, these fries are so good. There's like something on them. The return was ripped off, so I hope there's something inside that tells me. No. Oh. Oh, perfect eyebrows in seconds. Thank you. Oh, this is so great. Thank you, everybody. Oh. Thank you. Make sure you get something good to eat. Stay hydrated. Get outside, it's nice. This is just from the deli on the way home. Othello, it's called. He has everything, that guy. Everything. And if I'm not mistaken, I think he's open 24 hours a day. And they deliver too, which is good. Because during the pandemic, I used to order from them. They would deliver. Have a wonderful Friday. This is from my daughter's grab bag. She sent me with 4 bags. I've only gone through 2. Oh, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to go to the car. And 2 more bags are in the trunk. So I'll be busy this weekend. Talk to you later.